Now imagine an application that brought all of your favorite content from Disney Plus, from Amazon Freevee, from Tubi TV, from Netflix, all of that content brought together into a single application, allowing you to find the best movies and TV shows that you can enjoy on your Fire Stick, Fire TV, or Android TV devices. Now, this application is absolutely free. It doesn't require any kind of registration. You don't need to use any kind of VPN. It doesn't have any adverts. And with this latest version, they've now added in so many more repositories, 350 content libraries, allowing you to find the best movies and TV shows out there. All you need to do is just hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Fire Stick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. And here we can see this is the brand new version of JustWatch, and it's now had more than 10 million downloads. So 10 million is no small number, and it just shows you how popular and great this application is. And we can see this latest version was updated April the 26th, 2024. So this really is the best way for you to access all of your streaming services, whether you're using free streaming or premium ones. You can now access all of that content through a single application. Let's now open this up on my third generation Fire TV Cube. Now, when you start the application for the first time, you can see that it doesn't require you to create any account. You don't need to register, but it is optional if you want to do that. For example, if you want to take advantage of creating favorites, maybe creating custom watch lists, then you can go ahead and create a free account by following this QR code. But in my demonstration, I'm going to do everything without creating that free account. So the first thing we need to do is set up your streaming services. So here we're basically telling the application which of the streaming services, many free ones, some premium ones that you'll subscribe to. Then based on that, it can then use this recommendation engine to find the best content to watch, because there's no point me having 5 different streaming services. I open up the first one, it doesn't have anything good in there. I open up the second one, that also doesn't have anything good in there. Instead of me opening up 5 different applications, I can search or browse all of that content through this single application. So the first thing I'm going to do is just select whichever applications I have installed or I'm subscribed to. We can see they've got the massive freebie now, which just has a super large library of great free content. Let's tick that. I've enabled Netflix as I'm subscribed, Disney Plus, Prime Video. You can see, guys, if you are subscribed to some of these other ones, which are, I think, more available for the US audience, including YouTube, for all of those YouTube movies, you can tick that. Let's go down. Here we can see the Magellan TV, which is a great documentary application. I've ticked that. But you can see, guys, just lots and lots of different options. Now, of course, if you access this application from USA, you will see even more options for you to select. But it's great they actually aggregate many free streaming services, so it's not a case of you have to have premium subscriptions. You can purely use this application just with free streaming services only. Here, for example, they've even got Netflix Basic with adverts if that's what you're subscribed to. Okay, so I've ticked 7 things on mine. So now when I go to home, this is now scanning all of those 7 libraries that I've ticked and showing me content from them. Here, for example, this particular list is in a mood for something different, so maybe some slightly out there content will be shown here. And when you click on something, you can see this, for example, is being shown on Disney Plus. This one here is also Disney Plus. This one here is, for example, on Amazon Prime. Now, if I want to watch something, for example, this one here is being streamed on Disney Plus. I can click on that. Let's click on Watch Season 1, Episode 1. Click on that again. This will now automatically launch Disney Plus for us, and it should take us straight to that content. Let me select my profile. Give that a second, and we can see it does exactly that. So no need to open up 10 different applications or find different applications or different content through the single JustWatch application. I can now go ahead and browse all of those different content libraries from that single app. Let's back out of that. Now, on certain repositories, you may see a message that you can't directly launch this particular repository or this particular episode or particular movie from here. But I do actually have a fix for that, because there was some, I think, news, I think a couple of months ago, or maybe even last year, that Amazon were going to block hot linking for certain applications because they don't want you to launch other third-party applications to watch content. You have to do it all inside the same application. Now, the easy fix for that is just to install the Android TV version of this application, which I will show you at the end. And when you use that application, you won't see any limitations on any of that hot linking issue. Here, for example, we can see this one is on Prime Video. I can click on that. I can click on Watch Now. And again, because of that integration, this should now automatically launch Prime Video for me. I can click on that, and more importantly, it should take me directly into this series and even onto this episode. And we can see it's done exactly that, and it even starts playing. Obviously, that's working absolutely fine. So that kind of integration, that kind of ease of use, especially with this latest version where they have improved the integration, added even more content libraries, really does make JustWatch a superb, phenomenal application for all of you streaming fans. Let's back out of that. So overall, guys, I really am impressed with this new version of the JustWatch application. Whether you are somebody that enjoys lots of official free streaming services like Plex, like Tubi TV, like Freevee, or you are somebody that uses premium services like Netflix, like Disney Plus, like Discovery, all of that content can be aggregated and accessed through this single application. And they really have done a fantastic job adding in even more repositories, allowing us to find even more content we can enjoy on all of our streaming devices. Now, if for whatever reason you can't see this application in your Amazon App Store or the Google Play Store, as always, if you go over to my website, head over to the tutorials menu. Right near the top, there'll be a new tutorial for how to get the latest version of this JustWatch application. Scroll to the bottom of that list, click on the download link, and you can now get this application on all of your devices, particularly if you were suffering from those hot linking issues. Using the Android TV version, you won't have that problem anymore. And just before you go, guys, if you are looking for the easiest way to stay safe online, to change your IP address, to access geo-locked content, and really just keep your device secure as possible, right now there's a super special offer for a superb price of just $2.75 per month. So really at that price point, to get total protection, keep yourself safe online, get maximum privacy, nobody can track you, your ISP can't see what you're doing, you can download content, you can stream content. To get all of that at under $3 a month, I definitely think this special offer is worthwhile checking out. Using my link does help support my channel and my work, so many thanks if you want to do that. Have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.